The new Volvo VNR is designed for the regional haul market. It's actually what the R stands for. And it has to have great maneuverability, good turning radius, good access in and out, and the truck has to be durable. The new VNR has been just completely redesigned for the driver's perspective.
And the corners of the hood have been brought in, almost shrink wrapped on the radiator package, allowing great visibility at each corner down to the ground, including a new bumper designed for a regional haul customer, tapered on the sides, allowing the driver not have to worry about where the end caps are. The shorter wheelbase gives us a good maneuverability, and with the Volvo product and a 50-degree wheel cut, we're able to make sharp turns, and we can make a complete left to right turn with just 2.5 rotations of the steering wheel.
All these factors come together to make the VNR the best, most maneuverable product in the regional haul market.